Okay, here's your typical IBM cash register server. It's usually in the cash office, I believe. Sometimes it's in the data room. But anyway, there's a blue button here. Just squeeze that blue button, the whole panel comes off. And then all you have to do is grab onto this right here. There's 3 drives here. Once you open them up, they pull right out. So these are easy. You can send the whole carrier and everything. You don't have to take them off the carrier. But pull all 3 of them out. Okay, and then you're done. Don't worry about putting the carriers back in. That's all you have to do. These will get shipped back. Thank you.